Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you this rose gold glam date night look. We're going to start with highlighter today because I just got a new one and I want to show it off. I'm going to start with the Farsali Jelly Beam highlighter because I feel like anything you add on top of this highlighter just makes it pop even more. And you can leave this highlight just as it is, but this is a date night look, so you want to be a little extra, right? A little extra? And this is going to be our extra. This is the Morphe Babe in Paradise by Bretman Rock Highlight Palette, and I just got my hands on it. The shades are so beautiful. There are shades in here for every skin tone, and it even came with a brush. So we're just going to be going in with this color right here. It's called Get Laid, which is the perfect color, I think, for a date night look. It is this beautiful kind of golden peach color. The names on this palette is so much fun if you haven't seen them already. But my favorite definitely is this Get Laid. And for date night, we're setting the tone here, right? The fan brush is good material. It works very nicely with the palette. Just look at this highlight. Look at it. Do you see it? Do you see this highlight? You see it. Again, this is Get Laid. Okay, we are going all out tonight. I'm using two of my favorite palettes from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the Soft Glam palette and the Modern Renaissance palette. I'm going to start with the Modern Renaissance palette and go in with this color Buon Fresco and blend that on my brow bone. Then I'm going to go in with the color Love Letter and blend that slightly under my brow bone. Then I'm going to go in with the color Antique Bronze and blend that into my crease and onto my lid, leaving the center clean. Okay, grab that Soft Glam palette and take the color Nior, darkening where you put the Antique Bronze. You just want to smoke this out a little bit. Don't go too dark. Then we're just going to cut out that crease. Make sure you kind of feather it out to the outer corner so it blends well. Once you're done with that, you're just going to go in with the color Sultry from the Soft Glam palette and tap that on. Clean up the edges. Then we're going to go in with the color Love Letter again and blend that onto the bottom lash line. Then blend Antique Bronze on top of that. And the color Nior on the outer corner. Take the color Glistening and pop that in the corner of your eye. Then I'm going to do a quick wing with the Too Faced sketch marker. After that, I went with the NYX liquid liner in white and just followed the crease of my eye, not going all the way to the end. Then, on top of that, I used Too Faced Glitter Pop Peel Off Liner in the color Yes Way Rose. I also added that above my wing. Then I popped on a pair of fake lashes. These are Lily lashes in the style Paris. For lip, I'm going to use Tarte H2O Gloss. This is the color Maldives. That's it, guys. Here's the finished look. So do you guys like matte or gloss lips better? Leave it down in the comments and let me know. I'm really liking gloss lips lately, especially the H2O glosses because they're so nice and not sticky at all. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and I hope you have a great date night. If you like my channel and you want to see more, please subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram.